Hi, it's Warren Beckwith here at Iconic Cars. Today I've got the good fortune of having my hands on what I see as a real iconic car. And this car pushed the boundaries in many, many ways. But there's something even more special about this car. I'm going to be taking it for a drive and you're going to come along with me. Just for now, I want you just to soak up this raw 7 litres of V8 muscle. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. I mean, I've had a lot of American cars through my time. I had a Corvette. That was a 76 Corvette. The last Corvette I bought was an anniversary model, which was in yellow, which I bought back in 2017, which I took in part exchange against a Shelby GT. What great value for money they represent for just such a huge amount of performance. The thing with these older cars now is that they were never really tuned well enough when they were new, and carburetors have come a long way even since then, but even the engines weren't as great as they could have been. This resto mod has got a modern 7 litre Corvette engine in it. That's why it sounds so good, and that's why it stops, starts and goes even faster than the original. Something that you feel confident to go out on and do some rallies, have some good long journeys in it. So it's a real beautiful sort of match in harmony. How I see this evolving is that the next stage is that resto mods will then be offered electric power. What that means is it's going to be very clean to the environment. The sad part is it's going to be very quiet to the environment. You've got to love engines. You've got to love the progress of technology and how things have evolved. But of course, they are going to keep evolving and they're going to keep developing. And that's why something like this Corvette Stingray is a real game changer for people to be able to have their classic, iconic cars, but electrified.
Through all this driving around, I needed to have a break. I needed to find somewhere peaceful, open, quiet, and in nature. And that's what I did. I found the Ham Polo Club. And I like a polo club.
The Corvette Stingray is an iconic car. Its style, its charisma. They were so ahead of the game. But then they brought out this, and it is absolutely glorious in its shape. There's something about looks of the 60s that were absolutely phenomenal, and I think that's why we enjoy cars from this era. I'm Warren Beckwith. Thank you for watching me at Iconic Cars.